Hello, and welcome to this evening's edition of the news. I am your reporter, Alex, and today we will be interviewing renowned geneticist George Wells Beadle. George, thank you for joining us. In 1958, you won the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine, so tell us about your discovery.
Thank you, Alex. It's good to be here. My partner, Edward Tatum, and I were awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine and Physiology in 1958 for our work in the role of genes in biochemical events in a cell. Our experiments exposed a type of bread mold known as neurospora, which you can see here, exposed to X-rays. This led to a series of mutations and caused a change in the enzymes in the cell that controlled the metabolism in the mold. From this experiment, we were able to show a link between the genes and enzymes, which was commonly then known as the one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. This hypothesis is commonly recognized as the first significant result towards molecular biology, and as a result, it has opened the doorway for a large number of studies into molecular genetics, leading to new and exciting developments in that field.
Wow, that sounds really cool. Can you tell us about yourself and where you grew up?
Sure, Alex. I'll be happy to tell you all about myself. I was born in Wahoo, Nebraska in 1903. My parents were Chauncey Elmer Beadle and his wife Hattie. Together, our family owned a 40-acre farmstead where I grew up, and I intended to be a farmer. But my high school teacher persuaded me to go to College of Agriculture in Lincoln, and I received a bachelor's degree in science at the University of Nebraska in 1927 when I was 24. Go Huskers! Ha! In 1931, I obtained my doctorate for a thesis on the crop Zea mays on Indian corn. Then, in 1935, I went to Paris and worked with the French scientist Boris Frucy, and together we discovered how the development of eye pigment in Drosophila or fruit flies occurred. Of course, later in life, I became the president of the University of Chicago, and I even grew corn behind my house at the university. People would often mistake me for the university gardener. Ha ha!
Well, thank you for joining us, George. That wraps up our segment on science. Now on to Dan for sports.